Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing yellowish orange conch collected from Indian Ocean. It is for Lord Guru Bhagavan and Lord Surya Bhagavan. This conch is for Lord Guru Bhagavan and Lord Surya Bhagavan. Beautiful yellowish golden color. This conch also can taken for Lord Mangal Graha. Such a wonderful, amazing conch. By having this conch with you, you will get huge success in your business. Such a wonderful conch. Beautiful yellow color. For Lord Guru Bhagavan and Lord Surya Bhagavan, and can also taken for Mangal Graha. It's a golden yellow conch. We can also take this conch for Lord KUBERA also. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.